going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be extending the downspouts on the left side of this house. We are going to be extending them from the back left, coming down all the way down, 90 and out around where the fence was, coming down, picking up the front left, taking it out all the way to the street, to a pop-up, so that way the water will facilitate all the way down here, pop up, overflow onto the street, and go down to the storm drain. We've already done the French drain and recharge system on this house, and now we are completing it by doing the rest of it. And here we go. Got it all dug out under the sidewalk, as you can see. Pop-up's gonna go here at the end. This ground was extremely hard. It has a downspout in the front right tie-in. We didn't find the cable line at all, so that's good. So that means we didn't break it. Downspout in the back, all the way down. Everything's gonna run out to the street. Now to pipe it up, show you how it looks. And there we go. Everything is completely piped up, all the way from the back left, all the way to the front. Here's the pop-up. Water's gonna come out, pop up, build up, facilitate, come over, and go towards the storm drain down the street. Just like that. Everything's nicely connected. See by the level over here, I have the level completely downhill all the way. It's over 4 inches within 10 feet. And when we come all the way back here towards the beginning of everything, put the level down. As you can still see, everything is completely downhill from the beginning of the trench going all the way down. So as soon as the water goes in, comes down from the roof, so I go right into the downspouts and straight out to the street. Now to backfill and show you how it works. And here we go. This is exactly how it works. I got the hose in the far back left of the house over there, filling it up, comes down, comes out, builds up, facilitates over the grass onto the street, and drains all the way to the nearest storm drain, which just happens to be down the end of the street. But this way, this is how you avoid flooding your yard out, by making sure that all your water goes to the street instead of at the side of your house, down your foundation, and you don't have a soggy yard. So this is how it's done. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.